Oftentimes, the most impactful part of your presentation is what you don't say. The best way to say something without saying it is to pause. Pausing when you give a speech or deliver a presentation has numerous benefits. First, it simply allows you to breathe. And I think we could all agree that breathing is pretty important, especially when giving a speech. Beyond that, it helps to moderate your pace a little bit. If you notice that when you get nervous or you're giving a speech, you start to speed up and talk really quickly and keep going, pausing will naturally slow you down. It also lets your brain catch up and it will eliminate those filler words like and ah. But the best thing about using a pause is it can add dramatic impact. For your next speech or presentation, go through and highlight the top 2 or 3 things that are most important that you really want your audience to walk away with. And when you get to those points, take a pause. It allows that information to soak in with the audience. It lets them know it's important because you're not just blowing right past it. It signals to them, pay attention, this is critical. So the next time you have a speech or a presentation, highlight the key areas and make sure you harness the power of the pause.